What's the plan? First, how do you feel about your hair?
Right here, I just want to clean up this taper fade.
Just gonna clean up the side, the back, taper it. And what's your plan for the top? You wanna keep this?
Yeah.
You want me to fix the shape? So how about your beard? What's your plan for the beard?
Shape this.
Like this. How about your eyebrows? You want me to shave it also?
No.
Let's start. Do you have any questions?
No.
Let's start, brother. Oh.
Aba, hindi pa talaga nadala si Yobab at Kevin sa live awayan ni Papi at ni Mikmik doon sa mall. Eh, ito naman po sila dumalaw sa bahay. There's bigger inside.